Hello, I'm delighted to tell you about our Noëlle Herzog Essential Mask. Made with 2% oxygen, vitamin A and 3 different essential oils, this mask is made for all skin types and all ages. For an ideal effectiveness, it's important to apply it well on the face. Apply an ideal layer of cream, neither too thick nor too thin. Avoid putting the cream directly on your eyebrows or hair to avoid lightening. Don't forget the neck. This mask ideally firms up the oval of the face. It should be left on for at least 5 minutes, but you can also leave it on overnight. If you feel some tinglings, this is normal. 2% oxygen is released under your skin. Mandarin, orange and grapefruit essential oils provide wonderful fresh nutrition. Vitamin A provides the essential elements for collagen production, and oxygen normalizes the skin and fights blemishes. The 2% oxygen provide also an ideal hydration and thus a glow to your skin. If you apply it before going out for a party, you are guaranteed to have a bright and fresh complexion all night long. After at least 5 minutes, or in the morning when you wake up, rinse off any remaining cream from your face and admire your beautiful complexion.